look into these things, we get an aesthetic pleasure from them directly on observation. But there's also a rhythm and a pattern between the phenomena of nature. A rhythm and a pattern between the phenomena of nature, which isn't apparent to the eye, but only to the eye of analysis. The next point was made by Newton, and he answered this way, that a force is needed to change the velocity in any manner. First, for instance, if you're pushing it in a direction that it moves, it will speed up. If you find that it changes direction, then the force must have been sideways. And that the force can be measured by the product of two effects. This is the key of modern science and is the beginning of the true understanding of nature. Nature uses only the longest threads to weave her patterns. Nature uses only the longest threads to weave her patterns. Nature uses only the longest threads to weave her patterns. But the most impressive fact is that gravity is simple. But the most impressive fact is that gravity is simple. It's simple and therefore it's beautiful.